Yo guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can get a Fortnite dev account. As you guys can see, I literally gifted myself every single skin using this Fortnite dev account called RexFN. Through this video, if you guys watch for the whole entire video, I guarantee you that you guys can do this yourself. Just be patient with this and watch the whole entire video. But without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. Also, as you guys can see, I can actually wear these skins in the lobby as well. So what you guys want to do is actually exit out of Fortnite. And you guys want to join my Discord server, which is going to be linked in the description. Once you guys are there, you guys want to go into the Radius Dev Access, which will obviously be linked in the description. And then you guys will be here, which is the Start Here channel. Once you guys are here, you guys want to go into the hashtag download section. And then when you guys are here, you guys want to press unlock download. Make sure to read this, like I said. To verify yourself, type ! verify with screenshot saying that you are subscribed to me and my friend X Shadow. For mobile, these are examples, and for PC, these are also examples. So you guys want to press unlock download and then collect your ticket. And then when you guys are here, you guys want to go on to the first channel, which is myself, which is FC Radius, which is myself, which is right here. And then when you guys are here, you guys want to make sure you are subscribed with all notifications turned on. And then you guys want to type in your thing snipping tool. And then you guys want to press new and then take a screenshot. I'm going to name this Radius Proof. And then enter, make sure you have created that file. And then go back onto the Discord and subscribe to my friend X Shadow, which is right here. And then once you guys have done both of these steps, like I said, create a screenshot for this as well. Also, if you guys are on mobile, you guys can just take a screenshot on your phone showing that you are subscribed. So I'm gonna name this X Shadow Proof and then press enter. And then you guys want to go back onto the Discord and then press the plus upload file and then X Shadow Proofs and Radius Proof. So just make sure you have those two selected, press open, and then type in the command !verify and then press enter. You guys can also do this on mobile by doing the same thing, doing !verify and including the two mobile screenshots. And then you should get a message from Carbot saying scanning image to confirm you have subscribed. If scanning is successful, you should receive a DM from me6. As you can see, I received a DM from me6. And then you guys want to press this HTTPS FC downloads link and then press yep. This will take you to my advertised link where you guys can unlock various downloads for Fortnite Dev, which is pretty simple, guys. So you guys just want to do these processed. So Avast secure download. So you guys want to install Avast download, and then once you guys have done that, it should take you to my Beacons AI link, which is right here. So make sure to actually install that, and then once you guys have done that, you guys can just close out of that, and it should take you to my Beacons AI link, which is right here. And then once you guys are here, you guys want to go on to RexFN Dev and then do the same thing. So pretty simple, guys. Press free access with ads and then close this out. And then do the same thing, download Avast secure browser. And then once you guys have done that, it should take you to the RexFN Discord, which is right here, guys. Once you guys are here, you just want to go onto the hybrid downloads. And then you guys want to go onto the custom installer, continue to download. And then when you guys are here, guys, you guys just want to go on to download. It's going to automatically download. Just wait for this to load, and it should automatically download. You just want to press save, double click on the installer, and then press more info, run anyway. And then you guys want to type in the command 0 and then press enter. Where it asks for a game file location, just go onto your desktop and right click, press new folder. And then once you guys are here, you guys can name this RexFN test video, or you guys name this whatever. Double click on the folder, go on the top, copy the file URL, copy it, and then go back onto the prompt and then paste it and then press enter. It should give you an ETA on how long it is expected to download. For me, it takes around 10 to 30 minutes because I have a very fast PC, but for some of you guys, it could take 30 minutes to even up to an hour, depending on you if you have a slow PC. Basically, what it's going to do is going to install all the required downloads for Fortnite Dev, and then once you guys have done that, you guys can close this out, go back onto the Discord, and then go onto the launcher, install the launcher, press I'm not a robot, and then press free access with ads. and then close this out, and then download a vast secure browser. Once you guys have done that, it should open the Rex FN launcher, which is right here, guys. And then basically what you guys want to do is you guys want to go on the three dots and then find your Fortnite game. So you just want to go Rex FN, press select folder, and then press login. Make sure you have that console unlocker enabled, and then you guys want to log into your Fortnite account and then press confirm. And then once you guys are there, guys, you guys want to press launch, and it should launch Fortnite. So just launch Fortnite, as you guys can see. And then once you guys have launched Fortnite, you guys should be granted with the Renegade Radio skin, as you guys can see. And then if you guys want to gift yourself, just go back onto the launcher, press gifting, and then you guys can gift yourself V-Bucks, for example. So you guys type in the V-Bucks and then press gift. And then when it says done, you guys can press OK, and then just change your skin, and it should automatically show the gifting that was enabled. So then once you guys have done that, you guys just claim these free V-Bucks, and then like I said, pretty simple, guys. So literally, for more tutorials like this, make sure to like and subscribe. You guys can also gift yourself a lot of other things, like you guys can gift yourself all these skins, all the items, and all the emotes. So pretty simple, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I will see you all in the next video. It has been your boy Radius. Have a good rest of your day or night wherever you are. Peace out.